So let me show you how I would go about it if I wanted to calculate a progressive tax in an Excel pivot table. I have 4 examples over here, and my rules for the progressive taxes: anything that's under 10,000 taxed at 10%, then the value between 10,000 and 15,000 at 15%, and the rest at 20%. And this is the amount that is owed in taxes, and this is a calculated field. I'll show you how I did it. So this is how I would add this column. Simply click on the pivot table, go to pivot table analyze, go to field items and sets, and add calculated field. Name your calculated field. And then for the formula, I'm just simply going to paste it in here, and then I'm going to go over it. For now, I will hit OK. And of course, we get another column that calculates the same thing. So also here is the formula. It's just a simple if that looks at the gross income. If it's below 10,000, then it's gross income times 10,000. Otherwise, if the gross income is below 15,000, it automatically assumes, of course, that 10,000 is taxed at 10%. To that, we add 15% of gross income minus 10,000. And then if you are not within the first two categories, then we automatically calculate 10,000 times 10% plus 5,000 times 15% plus the gross income minus 15,000 times 20%. So this would be the formula. This is how I would calculate progressive taxes in an Excel pivot table. I think this is super useful if you have a use case like that. So if you enjoyed the video, if you learned something new, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this one. If this solution didn't fully work for you, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you out.